Okay, hi there. Welcome to this VB.NET video. Um, I kind of need a little to-do list application, so I thought maybe I'll create a video and uh, maybe some will find it useful. Okay, so basically we have this simple project. First thing to do, of course, is to make sure that it's a 2-bit, just in case. Okay, no problem. And I'll change this to main window. There that is. Click on this one. The title is gonna be simple to-do list. There we go. So I have this. No big problem. It's very easy, very straightforward. Okay. Now, the thing that we need is creating the database. So where's the database here? Right click, select add, new item, and let's go to local database here. I'm gonna call this DB, and I will select add. Okay, and there's gonna be database DB data set and finish. Okay, no problem. Go to Server Explorer. This is the database, tables, and I'm gonna create a new table. So this is gonna be what to do. So the first column is item order. This is gonna be integer, and the second one is item to do, and this is gonna be varchar. Okay, 1000. I guess these two are more than enough. And what should I do next? I should just say okay. No problem. It's all done. Okay, so next, what to do? Let's double click on the data set and let's go to data sources. Wait a second. Drag this here and drop it here. Okay, so now we have this data set. Very simple, very straightforward. I'll save this. Okay, all saved. No problem. So okay, and search, and okay, for some reason delete command is not available. Okay, I'm gonna say new and click here, add, okay, where item order equal at item order and item to do equal at item to do. Okay, gonna hit OK here, and yeah, all is in a place. No problem. Save that. Okay, let's go back here now. So go to data sources. Now we have hit this, drag and drop. Okay, we don't need this bar. Delete it. Let's put this one here. Let's put this one here, and yeah, we'll need a button over here. Okay, should go to this location. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is done. We will need a label. And we will need a text box. There we go. We go to the anchor of this one. Yep. Now I think this one is okay. Okay, so it looks fine so far. Okay, here this should be add. Sorry. So this is add, no problem. And next we need to improve the display a little bit. Okay, so what should we do? What should we do? Allow user to add row. We don't want to do that. Allow user to delete row. We don't want to do that. Order columns. Nope. Resize columns. Again, no. User to resize row. Again, no. Okay, don't want user to do anything. Auto size column mode. I'm gonna use full. Okay, so I can see the effect here. It's taking all the display, all the data grid. Okay, what do we have to do next? What is the order? Order. Okay, so another thing here. Click here and enable editing. For now, I will remove this. Enable column reordering, and I'm gonna say edit columns. So for this one, I won't make it visible. I don't want anyone to see it. For the to-do item, header text, just the space. Okay, so I have something like this right now. I'm gonna save. No problem. So when I click add, the item here will be inserted to the database. So what I need to do is get the order, the last order, and then increase it by 1. So I click here, right click, add a query. Oops. Oh, I'm sorry. Single value. Select. Here, select max of what? The column is the order. Okay. Next, get max order. Yeah, this will be a little bit misleading. Just do it like that, and yeah, get max order. Next, wait a second, query builder. Execute. Item order. Oh, sorry. Now it's correct and finish. So you finish this one. I'm gonna build the solution. Okay, very nice. Click here. Click here. Okay. So now when we want to add items here. Okay. Add item. So what should we do? First thing is check if text was entered. So if text box, if text box 1.text is dot trim equals nothing, then exit sub. Okay. Get the order dimension ORD as integer and put question mark because you might get null value equal. What do we have? We have need to do table adapter dot get max order. So if ORD is nothing, then ORD equals 0. Oops, 0. Next we have ORD plus equal 1, so increase ORD by 1. perform insert operation. So what I need to do is just call this to do blah 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 blah. Okay, what do we have? Is me dot to do dot insert. So what we have to insert is ord followed by textbox1.text.hrm, and finally refill the data or refresh. So just copy this line of code, paste it here, finish, no problem. Save and run. Make this a little bit smaller. Write something here. We got it. Okay, basically when you hit add, this one should be cleared. So clear the text box. So we have text box 1.text equals nothing. Very simple. Save, and maybe text box 1.focus. Okay. Make this a little bit smaller. Write something. Okay, no problem. Okay, seems nice. Save. Okay, so we finished this one. What we need to do is now now we see the values here. What we need to do is add do you call it a remove button. Okay, so I'm kind of forgetting how I used to do that, but anyway, so let me try here just a second. So I'm gonna say add unbound column here, and the header text is gonna be empty, and it's gonna be a button. It's visible, no problem, and I'm gonna hit add. There we go. Let me close. So what do we have here? There is no property over here. Let me see. The text is gonna be remove. Enter. And context read only. Resizable. No, it's not resizable. Sort mode not sortable. Data property name. Okay. Okay. As for this one, item order. Sort mode not sortable. Let's go for this one. Yeah. Okay, automatic read only. No problem. I'm gonna hit OK. Click here and save. And I will run this and see how this goes. Okay. So we have these buttons, but there's nothing that's being displayed here. Again, click with columns. Click here and data property none. Text header text yeah, what's the value? Column type frozen minimum. Okay, so this is the problem. I want to display the value here. Anyway, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make a little bit of modification. I will remove this, hit OK. So instead of adding the column here, and since I don't know the trick to add the text here, I will go to here, dataset, and I will add the columns in the dataset. So this is how I am gonna do it. Right click add, and I'm gonna say column. Okay, so this is gonna be remove item. Enter. So what do we have here? Well, the default value is gonna be like this. Remove. Enter. Okay, and the source, yeah, there will be no source for this column. Okay, and it's not unique. There is nothing else here. I'm gonna save this. Nice. Probably build a solution. Nice. And let's go to the design. And I will edit the columns again. I'm gonna add one. Now this is the remove item. Header will be removed, and it's gonna be a button, and add, and close, and OK. So let's run this and see how it goes. Yeah, I got an error, right? Oh no, it's working. So you can see this is it. Another one. Another one. Okay. So as you can see, it's very straightforward. Okay. Now, what I need to do is that when I press this button, the entry gets removed right away. So this is what we should work on right now. Okay. Sorry. Click here. Cell click. This is the cell click event. Okay. Okay, so the thing we need to do is first make sure that we selected the remove column. Make sure that the remove column is selected, and to do that is this fe dot column index equals, so 0 1 2, then okay, because the first one is the item order, second one is the item to do, and the third one, which is the remove column, it has number 2. Okay, so now we need to check that the rows within the boundaries. So fe dot row index greater than equal to 0 and e dot row index more than equal to do data grid view dot rows dot count -1. Then okay, it's something like this, because you can see here. Now we can get the we know which row is being selected. Okay, so here get their values, dimension, item, order as integer, question mark equals. This is gonna be what? This is gonna be e dot row index. There you go. Dimension. Oops. I'm sorry. So it's gonna be to do data grid view dot rows of row index dot cells of 0 dot value. It's something like this. Okay. Click here. Just a second. I'm sorry. So item to do. This is gonna be what? This is gonna be string. Okay, and put this one like that. So we got these two items, and now we can remove them. Remove from DB. Okay, so what should we do? This is the adapter. Just call this adapter dot delete item order followed by item to do. Very straightforward. And finally I need to refresh the data again, little bit of copy and paste here, no problem. Save and run. Okay, click here, remove, click here, remove. Okay, done. No problem. So a few other things related to the display, which are wait a second, there should be row header visible. This should be false. And selection mode, I think you could say for row select. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so this is one thing. Also, you might want to add another feature, what that is, for example, change the order. So for example, let's say here this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So what you see here is that you have 3 items. You might want to well move one up or down. Let's work on that. And before this, let me just perform a little modification. Sorry. Auto size mode none. The reason is that I want this to be 70. I'm gonna say okay. So let's see here. Okay, so you can see that now this button is always the same size. Okay, no problem. This is what I want to do. Okay, so now I will add a button for move up and one for move down. So add, there's gonna be a column here, move up, and another one, add column. Sorry. So for move up, the default value, move up, I'm gonna, or up only, and for move down is gonna be down. No problem. Save here. Put the solution. Nice. Let's go back to this guy and click here. Say edit columns. So what's the size I used here? It's about 70. Okay, I'm gonna say add. It's gonna be move up, space, read only, add, and the next one is move down, and space, read only, move down, and I'm gonna say add, close. This one is none. This is gonna be 70. The next one is again none. Also, it's gonna be 70. And okay, so let's run this. Hopefully it works. And write something. Okay, I forgot to make these as buttons. So okay, columns. So this one, the column type is gonna be button. Next one, again, button. Okay. Okay, so you can see here, no problem. So, okay, so what we need to do next is by pressing up and down, we can change the order. So when you press down, the 33 goes down one stage. Okay, or okay, no problem. So what should we do? We need to create some kind of statement. Okay, so right now we can detect the item order. Okay, so we need to filter the values and make a function that will return the next item. Okay, or an item by its next order. I'll explain this in a minute. Okay, so let me add here the SQL statement, return single value next. So I'm gonna go to query builder, item to do. Okay, so select item to do. Okay, from this guy, where item order equal question mark. Okay, so I'll pass the item order and I will get the to do item, no problem. And this is the first one. Okay, maybe I'll change this a little bit. Okay, and get item by order. Okay, so next and finish. So this is the first one. And next I will add another query. Next, so this is going to be an update statement. Go to query builder. Oops, sorry. Query builder. Add. Well, you know what? Yeah, no need for that. No need for that. Okay, I think this is more than enough. So I'll put the solution. Okay, so let's go back. We put up first. So double click here. So now let's go and check the next one. Check the up button. Okay, so here if e.column index equal 3, then same thing is gonna happen, almost the same things. So here I'm gonna just, there we go. So here I got the values, and next I will have to get the previous. Okay, try getting the previous item. So dimension prev as string equal, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be me dot to do table adapter, right, dot get item by order. Now instead of providing the item order by itself, I will subtract 1 because you want to swap these two. Okay, so here I will just add a check. So wait a second, and just put an and double quotation. So here if prev doesn't equal nothing, then it means that the item exists. The item exists, so now we can swap them. So what should we do? I remove the standard item, and also dot to table adapter dot delete is gonna be item order -1 followed by prev for previous, and now insert the items in the correct order now. So we deleted from the database because they are in the wrong order, and now we reinserting them in the correct order now. So how do we do that? We are gonna say me dot to do table adapter dot insert. So item order followed by prev, and now me dot to do table adapter dot insert. There's gonna be item order -1 followed by item to do. Okay. So you see this is the order. This is the original order. You can see that the order now is reversed because this one is item order -1 with the previous. Now it's changed. It's order with the previous. Okay, and this one was the standard order with the to do, and here it's order -1 with the current to do value. Okay, and later on we will fill the data. Okay, the delete is something very similar. So I'm gonna copy this, Ctrl C. Okay, so check up the down. There's gonna be down button, and 4 you can see here. Okay, so instead of -1, I'm gonna say a +1. Okay, this is gonna be rename an xt. This is gonna be an xt. Okay, this is gonna be what? Yeah. So we have these. I'm gonna save here. Let's go to the data set, and let's go to this guy, and I will just put a single thing here, order by item order. Okay, because this is important. Would you like to regenerate update commands? No. Would you like to update other queries, reflect changes you made? No. That's it. sorry. Save that. Build the solution. Let's hope it works. Okay. So up, down, nothing. Okay. So now we want that to go down. So down. Yeah. Okay. So that's now down. Click down, nothing. So I want now EEE to go down. I click on that, and now EE is down. Okay, what about up? So now EE I want it to go up, no problem. Now that I want it to go up, no problem. It's working, as you can see. So you can see that this is a little to-do application, to-do list application. It's very easy, very straightforward. One last thing that we need to do, which is I want to hide this little blue bar. Okay, so let's go back here, click here, border style. I think it has to do with the styles, default cell style. Let's have a look here. Selection back color. It's gonna be, I think we just need to choose it. Where is that? This is gonna be a window. Same. So you can see that the selected cell will not have any. Okay, so I click here. Okay, I forgot something very important here. So, oh, not this one, I'm sorry. Go back here. Selection color, selection for color. The text should be control text. That's it. There we go. And now, okay. So when you click here, you got rid of the selection bar. Okay. So you can use these buttons now to control the order. Okay, so I remove this, I remove the next one, close, and I will save this. Last thing I'm gonna do is create a little setup. So here, okay, what did I do? I selected the wrong option, and now my computer is sleeping, searching for something. Okay, go. So here I'm gonna say add and select. Where is that? Go to the solution, select that, new project. Let's go to other project type and select setup and deployment setup. I'm gonna call this what? Maybe setup wizard is much better. The name of this is simple to do list. Okay, simple to do list. Okay, go to next, create setup for Windows application, next, and local resources, primary output for to-do list. There we go, this is what we need. Click here, next. Which additional files? Not need any files. Click next and click finish. Wait a few seconds, there we go. And let's go to program, oh sorry, application folder. And this guy I'm gonna call create shortcut, and here I'm gonna say to do list. There we go. And you drag this and drop it on the desktop. Okay, that's it. So I will save this, I will build this project, and I will build the second one, no problem. Building. Okay, it's done. Now install this application. Welcome to to-do list setup wizard. Next, I want it to be installed here. Next, and next. Okay. My computer's so slow. Gosh. It's also very old. Oh, come on. Okay. Close. So now we have this shortcut, as you can see here. Double click on that. And it doesn't work. Current application database file cannot be found. Click path database. Okay, it's good that I checked this because it seems that the database was not included. Well, no problem. What I need to do is just right click. Oh, sorry. Okay, right click here and select add and select. Wait a second. Project output. So here, primary output, content files. I think it's content files, right? Okay. So let's build this one. Okay, I think if you add the content files, the database will be included in your project. So now, again, install this guy. Yes, I know, just do it. Next, next, next. Yes, I know, just do it. Okay, close. Now, double click. And it didn't work again. That's a problem. Okay, simple to do list.sfd. Okay, so instead of this, let's go back here. Let's go back here. Oh, sorry. No problem. Let's go to application folder and remove this. I'm gonna say add file. And here what I need to do, go to desktop. Where's the application? This is the to-do list. To-do list. And this is db.sdf. This is the project. Sorry, database. So I'll open, it's here. Now let's see how this goes. I'll build this one. Okay. Install. Usually when I stop doing things, I start forgetting. So this is the thing about programming. If you don't keep practicing, you start forgetting things. So go next, next, next. Ah yes, I know, I understand. And close. There we go. Please work now. Ah, come on. See. Oh, sorry. Access to database file is not allowed. Okay, I think I know what the reason for this error is. The reason is very simple. Is that since the database is placed inside the program files, you need to have administrator privileges. So right click and view the properties for your project and yeah, view UAC user access control settings, and what you need to do is just copy this one, Control C, and paste it here. Okay, I always forget these small things. Anyway, right, and build this solution. Okay, sorry, so build this one. Next, build this one again. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and now I will install. I think the adding content files worked the first time. It's just that I forget, or my program didn't have enough privileges. So that's why. Okay, buddy. Yes, I know. go and close. Yes, I know, I want to run this. Okay, so now we have this project, and add the next one, the next one, the next one. Okay, so all's fine. So here, move up, move up, move up. Okay, so I will remove this one and move up, WW, move down, move down, move down, nothing. Yeah, something like that. So remove, remove, remove. Okay, so it's working. Yeah, so I hope you'll find this work useful. I will upload this this project into the website. You'll find it under applications. I know also that you want me to finish the library management system. I'll work on that later on, and also answer the questions later. Okay, so thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.